LOV111VOL is an application that is used to manage a one-person business, a team, as well as an entire company, an entire organization. When the login window appears, in the login and password fields, enter the word human. Then we press the login button. We log into the system and select www. Here we have the ability to browse the web. The browser is borrowed from Microsoft Edge. It has the same functions. Nevertheless, there is one button here with which we're able to erase all cache memory. It is also interesting that using the option to add pages, we can define which pages are public. And they will be public to the entire organization.